Hey, it's your girl, your vegan friend, Johanna Earthly Ramos, back with another video. In today's video, yes, we are back in the Earthly Bodies kitchen. You all had such a great reaction to my last video where I shared with you my cold killer juice recipe. And I got a message from someone that said, I'm not quite ready to get a juicer yet. Can you share one of your favorite smoothie recipes? So very easily, I can do that. If you're interested in finding out how to make green goodness gracious, aka your next favorite green smoothie, stay tuned. Before we jump into this smoothie recipe, can we have a moment of adoration for this gorgeous bouquet of flowers my husband got me for our 16th wedding anniversary? Y'all, I am still in awe at how beautiful these flowers are, how beautiful they smell, and just how thoughtful my husband is when choosing these flowers. If you saw the picture in the community tab of our wedding day, you would notice that the stargazer lily is in my bouquet. So the fact that he put those in our 16th wedding anniversary bouquet, he just got your girl blushing. He knows what to do. So I called to find out the best way to keep them as beautiful as I could for as long as I could. And I was told that I could just pour out the water every 2 to 3 days and pour fresh water in. There's a tape grid inside that keeps the flowers from moving at all when I dump the water out. How convenient is that? So just take another moment or two to just enjoy this beautiful bouquet. I love sharing them with y'all. Along with the stargazer lilies, there are also peonies and beautiful long-stem red roses. I'm kind of thinking I might want to make my own rose water for my locks out of these roses, but that would mean having to take them out before they dry out, which is less time for me to enjoy them. So nah, I won't do that. But if you'd be interested in seeing me make some homemade rose water, let me know in the comments below. Let's get everything we need in one space. Our leafy greens, today I am using baby kale, avocado, coconut water, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, and a banana. That's all we need. We only have to prep 2 things. We're gonna cut our avocado in half and admire the perfectness of this avocado. My goodness. I didn't quite cut it in half evenly, so I'm going to use the big piece because good fat. I need that. I'm not sure if you all have met our blend tech, Kobe. This blender is amazing. This number that you see right here, this is the number of smoothies or smoothie bowls it has made for us since we've had it. And it is still going strong. If you're looking for a high power blender that is in comparison to the Vitamix, this is the way to go. It's awesome. Everything gets super simple from here. We just got to pour it in the blender and hit that button. So I got my coconut water. I can't help it. I got to have some. Remember, I did the 7-day water fast. Coconut water kept me in the game. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. Gonna put 8 ounces of coconut water in because I'm hoping to make between 20 to 24 ounces of my smoothie. Gonna use a handful of baby kale. You can also use spinach or any other variety of kale. Those are the only 2 greens that I will put your vegan friend stamp of approval on as far as taste goes. But use whatever leafy green you want. Then 1 banana, scoop out half of that avocado, And now we're gonna get our frozen fruit. Y'all, I'm really trying to measure for y'all. I usually just decide how much of the fruit I want to taste. So this looks like it's about a half a cup of frozen pineapple. Spoiler alert, I do go back and put more in. And also a half a cup of mango. It's a great place to start. You know, do you want to taste more of one than the other? Completely up to you. I also go with frozen fruit in my smoothies for 2 reasons. I don't like to put ice in my smoothies because I don't want watered down flavor. I want all the smoke of my smoothie, okay? I want to taste it all. And also, I don't like room temperature smoothies. So this serves as the ice cubes. You saw me go back. I told you. Put on the top. Let's hit this smoothie button and watch the magic happen. Powerful, I tell you. This blender does not play. We have a separate one that we use to make our dressings and soups and nut butters. This is such a powerful blender. I'll put a link in the description box for you to check it out. Come on, Colby, show them how it's done. Love to see that swirl, it's so beautiful. No chunks, just creamy, yummy, smooth smoothie left behind. We're almost there. And now we're at 6,289 smoothies. Let's pour her up. Look at how smooth and creamy. Y'all, it's almost like a mousse. The way that the banana and the avocado play together, and there's no need for a sweetener because of all of the fresh fruit that we put into this smoothie. That was super fast, wasn't it? I'm not quite sure how much footage that was, but it seemed like it went by really fast. So what y'all want to talk about while I enjoy this delicious smoothie? I mean, these ingredients are pretty simple, so you might have these in your refrigerator and freezer already, so I'll wait if you want to go and grab it, you know, and make it, and then come back and chat with me for a second. I'm gonna enjoy this. Y'all, it's so good. So what can we talk about? I know. Y'all remember probably 5 months ago when I did the video about the rise of the vitamin D deficiency, and I shared with you that I went to get my blood work done like I do every year and discovered that my vitamin D was severely deficient. It was at a 7. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it in the description below, up in the cards, because y'all, that was quite a blow. I worked so hard to be sure that I'm giving my body what it needs to just be at its optimal health. Going through the pandemic, being a business owner did bring on a lot of stress, and my body went through things that some were manifesting themselves physically, and others I didn't realize what it was trying to tell me. But your body's always talking to you. You just gotta listen. So you need to really check that video out. Now, I'll go ahead and apologize in advance. I was in my feelings. I did that video same day that I got the results from my nurse practitioner after talking to her. So I'm trying my best to, you know, educate y'all, because I love to share information with you so that you can be on top of your health goals too. Live the healthy life that you desire and that you deserve. But I was pretty much like a Eeyore. Yeah, I was giving some serious Eeyore vibes in that video, but it's great information, so go check it out. If you're still here watching with me, Thank you so much. Leave me a rainbow in the comment section below. You watching my videos from start to finish is a huge deal. That's one of the things that YouTube looks at to see if my videos are worth sharing with other people. So, my rainbow gang, thank you. But the good news is, my nurse practitioner put me on a prescribed vitamin D2. There's a difference in D2 and D3. I'll talk about that in the video as well. And it was 50,000 IUs. I've never seen anything above 5,000 in the grocery stores, in the pharmacies. So I was like, good Lord, 50,000. However, I've been taking that once a week since then. I think it's been about 5 months. And your girl's levels are all the way in the pocket. And green tongue? No, okay. Yay, that's exciting, right? Celebrate with me. So it's in the 30s, which is the range that you want it to be in. So things that I didn't even realize were associated with that deficiency. First of all, obviously my nail game. My nails have been growing like weeds since regulating my vitamin D, and that's been so exciting. I mean, who doesn't want pretty nails? I know some people have them naturally. I never have, but I do now. And I was having some joint pain that I was blaming on repetitive actions of, being in the cafe and cooking and juicing and making smoothies all day, every day. Turns out that's probably not what it was. It was my body trying to tell me that I was deficient. It affects your joints. It can affect your neurological functioning. So get that checked out. Thank you so much for joining me today in Earthly Body's kitchen to make green goodness gracious. I know that you'll enjoy it. Be sure that you let me know that you're going to try it. If you haven't already, this is your first time coming to the channel, or maybe your second or third, it's time. You want to go ahead and click that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the amazing content I'll be creating for you. Also be sure to thumbs up this video, and sharing is caring. All of that stuff is free. Let's push this Earthly Bodies community out into all areas of social media by sharing this video, sharing my channel, because you never know who's on a health journey, and I could be just the voice that they need to help encourage them along the way. I love y'all so much. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.